Hello PSN, this is AB Sports Fest Adda. This is your host Binny Gupta. आप लोग सब सोच रहे होंगे कि आज आशु कहाँ है? Why is he not taking the interview today? Well, जो हमारे आज गेस्ट हैं उन्होंने स्पेशली रिक्वेस्ट किया दैट मैं उनका इंटरव्यू लूँ. ओके फाइन, मैं जोक कर रही हूँ, बट आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड जब मुझे पता चला कि आज कौन आने वाला है शो पे. तो मैंने आशु को स्पेशली फोन करके बोला यार ये वाला इंटरव्यू मेरे लिए छोड़ दे. And I just want to say a few words for him. He's a very good singer and he's a very good father and a very good friend to a lot of you in PSN. Our very own Mr. Venki.
Thank
Hello,
you.
hi
Thank you, Vinny.
Venki, how are
Hi,
you?
Vinny.
I'm so
Thanks
sorry
for the
मैंने वो
opportunity.
joke crack किया
नहीं,
था,
that's okay,
but
that's
I
okay.
was very excited because मुझे लगा कि आज वेंकी आ रहे हैं तो वेंकी का इंटरव्यू मैं ही लेने वाली हूँ. So welcome Venki.
Thank you for this opportunity.
So Venki, I just wanted to tell everybody जब हम लोगों ने कैरम का टूर्नामेंट प्लान किया था हमारे पास कोई भी ओसी नहीं था एंड हम लोगों ने सोचा कि हम लोग इसको कैसे मैनेज करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव अ बिग टीम बट कैरम के लिए स्पेशली कोई वॉलंटियर नहीं कर पाया बिकॉज देयर वर अदर टूर्नामेंट्स गोइंग ऑन. And while we were sitting on the help desk, we met Venki. Venki ने आगे से खुद आके volunteer किया and he said कि मैं तुम्हारी help कर देता हूँ. How was it? I mean, why did you think of helping us, Venki? Because I'm very sure आप बहुत busy रहते हैं, you know, family life and everything.
So I was really excited because seeing your energy and enthusiasm organizing something like this, which is first time in PSN by the way. I think more than the games itself, I thought this is a great opportunity for people to meet each other. And I think, yeah, your energy was infectious. I thought I should come and help for all the good work that you guys are doing. And बचपन में जब हम लोग खेलते थे क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते थे तो the only other game that we would play most often was caroms. So that was a passion within us. So I thought I would organize caroms for you guys.
That's really nice. Thank you so much, Venki, for helping us at that time. It was a very crucial time. I think हम लोग 3 दिन पहले मिले थे and then you know Venki started helping us. Venki, what I want to understand है हर game में you know we face lot of challenges. प्लानिंग में कुछ गड़बड़ होती है कभी वॉलंटियर्स नहीं मिलते हैं गेम हैंडल करने के लिए हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस हाउ वाज द प्लानिंग एंड हाउ वाज द शेड्यूलिंग डन बाय यू.
I think primarily to get people together because I had to divide it into categories. Senior citizens were coming forward to say that unka to passion hai, they kind of play every day caroms. So they wanted to have a tournament for themselves as well. So bringing young people together, categorizing them into different groups, and obviously holding this game over a weekend with 4 different categories was the initial challenge. But once we started putting our heads together in terms of how we can divide into age groups and kind of play it, it became quite easy. And obviously you guys were there to support as well, so it was brilliant.
No, definitely. I mean, it was a great tournament. I think we carried that for 2 days, right?
2 days, yeah.
2 days, yeah. So I think हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि हम लोग एक दिन में वो खत्म कर देंगे, but we carried forward for 2 days. So that was a really great tournament. Okay, I just wanted to understand कि you know there's something or some note or some advice or feedback you want to give for our sports fest this year.
I think to me it looks like we should continue this every year. That is my first thing in my mind which comes to my mind.
Yeah.
Two, it helps people to come together, you know, in this age of digital where people kind of tend to go to devices. This is the best way out, you know.
People even play carom on digitally now.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So chess, caroms, kind of meeting people face to face. Come out, meet people, play your games. And when you have people within PSN, it's always a healthy competition. You know, people within the community, and it kind of builds friendship as well between people. So I believe we should continue this as a tradition, and you know, let people come together and enjoy their games. So that's what I would rather. It's not a feedback; it's just a thing that I noticed that this should go on.
So in fact हम लोगों को similar feedback मिला था. There were so many females, so many mothers who came forward and they said कि हम लोग पहली बार you know we are playing and they're enjoying. I mean it's a realization that they have that you know they can actually play badminton. They are very good in sports. They have that kind of interest to play that sport.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you know we saw there were a lot of participants. We saw young blood, we saw under 18 kids, we saw under 10 kids,
Yeah.
but there were senior citizens. I mean, maximum participation of our senior citizens were in carom.
Yeah.
So do you have some incident to share or some something to tell us about that?
No, no, absolutely. I think एक हफ्ता पहले, before we met and kind of started planning about this, there were a couple of senior citizens, Wadhwani uncle and Agarwal uncle, who came and said that, ये ऐसा organize करो. There are so many people who are there. Initially, we started with doubles only for
Correct,
them. फिर
yes.
singles में extend हो गया. So I think their energy to play the game, kind of meet each other and kind of build that actually propelled the energy in me as well to organize it properly. So I think I owe it to them to bring that energy to the table, and they really helped me to organize this better. So thank you to them wholeheartedly, and thank you on behalf of the team as well to kind of come together and do this.
Thank you so much, Venki.
Thank
Venki,
you.
I also realized that the kind, because we made some small reels with them after the tournament, and I realized that they didn't want the tournament to end. They wanted more and more games. They also started saying कि हम winners का final कर लेते हैं, semi-final कर लेते हैं, और फिर losers का भी semi-final
कर
final कर लेते हैं.
Yeah.
So it was a good feeling, to see your senior citizens so happy. I think that's what make our PSN so lively, so bright, and the environment here is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so on that note, because आप आज मेरे इंटरव्यू पे आए हो, I cannot let you go without singing few
Oh
lines.
my God. Okay. ठीक है, 4 lines.
4 lines. Okay.
4 lines. घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका Thank
Oh
you.
my God, that's really nice. I mean, वेंकी ये सॉन्ग मेरे लिए होगा ना, क्योंकि तुम्हारे घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही मेरा ही घर आ
We were
जाता है.
neighbors in Tower 7 as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, absolutely for you.
So
But thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, Bini. Thank you, Ashu. Thank you, Divya, for kind of pulling me into this. I really enjoyed organizing this game. As good as you guys have organized so many other games. So thank you to you guys as well for organizing all of this.
So all the pleasure is ours, because we are very happy that you were part of the team, and I hope next year also we organize it together. So that's all for today. I mean, it was a great interview with Venki. Venki so much. Venki, thank you so much, and
See you around.
see you around. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.